You rescue me, and all I can do is hold on. I am weak, but here in redeeming arms, you show me how I'm strong. You change me just by your loving me so deep. You believe in somehow something better wells up inside of me. You rescue me, you carry me, maker of worlds, king of all kings. You cover me with mighty grace, whisper I'm safe, you've already won. You rescue me. I know now my story will end with you. My knees will bend, and you will extend your arms, and you will make me new. You rescue me.